In this specific video, you're going to learn how to buy web hosting. Now, this specific video is going to be split up into two different parts. In the first part, I'm going to show you how to find web hosting to fulfill your needs. Many of you might have different needs. You might have one site, you might have several sites, you might have a bigger company that you want to host, and so forth. So I want to make sure that I cover all bases. And then I'm going to show you how to go through the process of purchasing it. The first web hosting company that we would recommend is called hostgator.com. And they have really good customer service, which is one of the main things that you need to look for in a web hosting company. Now, if you go under View Web Hosting Plans, you can start out with the most basic plan if you're looking to just host a single domain name. But if you want to add other domains, other websites in the future, it might be smart to go with the baby plan. Now, I want to show you some other different ways to find cheap web hosting. And if you go to Google and you type in web hosting talk forum, this is basically one of the main forums where web hosting companies hang out. And what they do is they normally give you cheaper deals on web hosting. So you can basically go to web hosting talk forum, type that in here. And as you can see here, we have shared hosting offers, web hosting offers, and so forth. Now, HostGator, I recommend you going with either the hatchling plan or the baby plan. I do not recommend them if you go to dedicated servers and so forth. So if you're looking to host a very, very large website, you can actually save a lot of money by going to the web hosting talk forum. You can find web hosting companies that will host your website for anywhere from $10, $15 to $20 a year. So that can save you a lot of money. And the next web hosting company that I would recommend would be servant.net. And this is a great site if you're looking to host a extremely large site or a large amount of sites in the future. So if you go to servant.net and go under their Flex VPS, the Essential VPS is great if your site grows and grows and grows to the point you want a faster server. Now, the second part of this video, to register and to purchase a web hosting account, if you go under hostgator.com and you simply just click on Order Now, it gives you the choice to register a new domain or you currently have a domain name. Now, what I would recommend that you do is you purchase the domain name through namecheap.com. I would not recommend actually purchasing a domain name through hostgator.com simply because it's more expensive. And there's a lot more freedom if you grab the domain name at namecheap.com. So what you can do is simply enter the domain name here, continue through to step number 2, and purchase the web hosting account.